Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Wallet with your credit card step by step clearly. To install Google Wallet with your credit cards, begin by ensuring that your device is compatible with the app. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Google Wallet and press enter. Locate the Google Wallet app from the list of results. Tap on the app and then select Install. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, tap Open to launch Google Wallet. Next, sign in with your Google account credentials. If prompted, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Upon opening the app, you may be guided through an introductory tutorial. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your Google Wallet. To add a credit card, find and tap the Add a Payment Method option. Select credit or debit card from the choices available. You can choose to enter your card details manually or use your camera to scan the card. If entering manually, input the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. After entering your card information, tap Next to continue. Google Wallet will verify your card details with your bank. Once verified, you may need to complete an additional authentication step. This could involve a code sent via SMS or email from your bank. After completing the verification, your card will be added to Google Wallet. You can repeat these steps to add more cards if needed. Explore additional features within the app, such as setting a default payment method. With Google Wallet set up, you can now start using it for payments online and in stores. Remember to keep your app updated for the best security and features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.